Have you ever wondered how we can solve the issue of expensive food, limited space, and climate problems all in one go? Well, welcome to the future, vertical farming. By the end of this video, you'll learn what makes vertical farming a game changer, the top 3 technologies that power it, and how you can start vertical farming at home today. It's not just about growing plants upwards. It's about revolutionizing how we feed the planet. With skyrocketing food costs and climate unpredictability, vertical farming has emerged as a clever, tech-driven solution. Imagine growing your salad, herbs, or even strawberries indoors, no matter where you live or how small your space is. Space efficiency. Let's kick off with space saving. Vertical farming means stacking plants in layers, growing upwards instead of spreading out. You could even say it's like making a plant skyscraper. Urban, chic, and super green. And no, it doesn't require a penthouse suite. You can do this at home too. Ever wonder how much food you can grow in just a few feet of space? More than you'd expect. You can grow up to 10 times the amount of food in the same square footage as traditional farming. That's like turning your kitchen into a mini food factory. Year-round growing. Whether it's snowing, raining, or blazing hot outside, vertical farming operates like its own little plant paradise. Thanks to climate control systems, you're farming in an environment where plants thrive year-round. Who wouldn't want fresh tomatoes in the middle of winter? With these smart climate systems, the plants get what they need no matter what's happening outside, turning your home into a never-ending harvest season. Water conservation. Watering plants the old school way? That's so last century. Vertical farms use high-tech, automated nutrient-delivering systems that are like a personal chef for your plants. No more overwatering or underfeeding. And you want to hear something cool? Vertical farms can recycle water up to 95%. That's right, you get healthier plants using less water. It's a win for your wallet and the planet. Now, what if you could grow these plants in your living room or even your windowsill? Well, you can. And here's where we go a step further. Not only are people setting up full-fledged vertical farms, but home gardeners are also getting in on the action. So if you've been dreaming of a way to grow herbs, lettuce, or even strawberries in your apartment, it's entirely possible. Here are a few home vertical farming ideas. Window gardens. Yes, even that tiny kitchen window can become a fresh herb paradise. Tower gardens. These are DIY-friendly or available pre-made, where you can plant everything from basil to small tomatoes. Vertical farming is more than a buzzword. It's the future of sustainable food production, and it's available for everyone, even you, right at home. So, will you give it a shot? Picture it, fresh, homegrown produce without even stepping outside. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you ready to start your vertical garden revolution?